Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from Junk Marketing Team, and in today's video we're going to run through a case study for one of our junk removal clients in a city in California. I can't say which city, and it's a big one though. So a big city in California, very competitive. As you can see here, they're running a very small $50 a day budget. We usually don't take $50 a day budgets anymore for our clients because it's really hard to compete and actually get a volume of new jobs from only $50 a day. We usually try to push for 75 minimum a day, just because you see a giant geometric leap in the number of jobs booked and leads that call in from that 75 to 50. It's kind of crazy. So if we go through here, let's see his statistics for the last 30 days, August 2nd to August 31st, 124 clicks, 1,561 impressions, interaction rate, which is just click-through rate, that's all it means, 7.94. Average cost per click is $8.47, which is outrageous for the city this guy's in California. So that's really, really good. Total spend for the entire month on Google Ads was $1,050. He got 47 leads out of that $1,000 at a cost per lead of $22.34 for a campaign conversion rate of 37.9%. Now, out of this 47 leads, I think it was like 93% of them were inbound phone calls and the rest were form submissions. So if we go into his actual campaign, you can see the ad groups here. Junk removal is obviously the winner. And then we have junk calling, junk pickup. Then we have a couple of the cities. So it would be like junk removal city name. Those are kind of keywords. So the thing to understand about the campaigns that we build is that these are very, very high intent keywords and match types. So you're not getting a broad match junk, people looking to, give away furniture, or people looking to have trash company come pick up their trash. These are people who are specifically searching for a junk removal company in the city they're searching in. So that's all we're doing. We're just taking someone who's searching for a junk removal company and we're putting you in front of them. That's all we're doing. So it's all about the message match. If you have the perfect message match, you're going to have these high conversion rates that you're seeing in these case study videos. Because I'm sure you've been watching a few of these if you land on our website. Now, they're all the same. They're all like this. This campaign that we have, this can be deployed in any city, anywhere in the country, and they can have results like this. These are very, very typical results. All right, so if we go to devices, check that out again, and you'll see here majority of the leads are mobile. 35 of those 47 leads are from a mobile phone. It's exactly what we want. Now, that's not necessarily, doesn't mean that these 35 leads were phone calls. It just means someone used a mobile device when they either called or submitted a form. But like I said, this guy is very, very high phone call generation rate. Like, he's getting a lot of calls and very few form submissions. And if you watch our other case study videos, you understand why. We only try and push for people to use mobile devices because we want phone calls. We don't really want form submissions, but we'll take them because they're still, they're still great leads. But we really want the people calling into your company and getting an estimate and getting the job booked right away. And these are one-call books. So people are calling, you're talking to them on the phone. You can give a rough estimate or you can set an appointment to go see them. A lot of our clients do it different ways. But the people who just do it over the phone, usually the job's booked that day. So it's very, very quick process. And you can see here that the mobile phone rate, conversion rate is 45%, which is just insane. Look at tablets, 50, but that's only one lead, so it's not really a good data sample. 45%. Anyway, if you have any questions, go to our contact form and just drop them in there. Or if you'd like us to deploy this type of campaign in your city or your location that you're targeting to get more junk jobs booked, that's a great conversation we can have, and we can show you how we can do this easily for you. So drop that in the contact form, and I'll talk to you guys later.